So here we are in Tel Aviv on the seafront, and it's our first sunset, and I have to be honest, this is pretty darn impressive. What do you think, Vera? Yeah? Amazing. Yeah, visit Tenerife. Tenerife? I just said Tenerife. Tenerife. It's Tel Aviv. Visit Tel Aviv. What is it, a dead cat? What is that? Jellyfish. Oh, it's a jellyfish. We're about to embark on a journey to Bethlehem and Nazareth in the next 48 hours, and eerily enough a star has just come out. It's the only star in the sky. It's in the west. I'm not actually sure whether it was in the west, but there it is. Is there a second arrival? Don't know. Is that the Star of Bethlehem?